Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix screen rotation not working on your LENOVO Tab K11 Plus. So first, what you guys want to do is enable auto rotate in quick settings. So swipe from the right side right here. Now we got the auto rotate. We're going to tap on it and make sure that it does the animation and it goes blue after you click it, not gray. Make sure that it is blue, and that means it's basically enabled. And what are we going to do now is we're going to tilt the tablet to test the gyroscope. So we got the Chrome app for an example. As you guys can see, I can do that, and we are already on this side. We can do that and now switch like this, and it still works. So basically we tested the gyroscope now and everything is fine. But if something's not working for you guys, then I would recommend restarting the tablet to reset the sensors. Press and hold the power button for at least 4 seconds. Now you will see this menu pop up and you want to press on the reboot. And basically the tablet now is rebooting. Soon we should see the Lenovo logo appearing right up top here. And that's basically what are we doing. So now we're waiting for the tablet to turn back on. Now after the restart, as you guys can see, everything's turning on. Now what are we going to do is we're going to go over as a last resort and check the software updates. So we are in the settings now. Let's go to About Tablet and here tap on the system update. Now basically it's checking for the latest version. All you need is Wi-Fi forward, and I have the latest version. I am on the latest software. But if you guys are not, then I recommend you updating. This is very important because we want to make sure that there's no old glitches running around on our device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.